I almost quit, and literally no one tells you about this. If I could restart my content creation journey today, then I would do so many things differently. And I was like, hi guys, this is me Ankita and welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today this is going to be another sit down video where I'm going to be chit chatting with y'all. So आज basically मैं बात करने वाली हूँ जो भी मैंने content creation से सीखा है, and अगर आप लोग भी 2026 में content creation start कर रहे होंगे तो उसके लिए आप लोगों को क्या क्या जानना ज़रूरी है, मैंने इधर points बना के रखा है ताकि आप लोगों को कुछ भी miss out ना हो. So yeah, let's get into the video. Before we go ahead, I want to tell you guys something that I myself am not a big creator. I don't have lakhs of following or followers or subscribers. I'm at the learning phase myself, but today I'm going to be sharing my real experiences, whatever I've learned through 1.5 years of content creation, and before that as well, but I just quit every single time, but not this time. The first thing I want to talk about is reality of being a small creator. First thing is low views actually hurt. So you put on a lot of effort in some video and आप expect करते हो कि इससे ज़्यादा views मिले, but instead you end up with 100, 200 or even 50, 20 views at the beginning, and you just feel so much demotivated. But don't we, some or the other day you're gonna grow. So because of those low views, you actually start doubting yourself even when you're doing your best. Like, after all, you're just a beginner, and how can someone be perfect every single time? This actually implies to me as well. I doubt myself a lot. And in this process, you start comparing yourself with someone else. Like, even though आप बहुत अच्छे कर रहे हो, आपने जो भी सीखा है आप कर रहे हो, वीडियो भी अच्छा बनाया है, डाल भी दिया है, but just because of those views, you start comparing yourself to other creators, which is actually a real thing which most people don't talk, but people actually start comparing. And this is my example as well, because I also started comparing myself to other creators, which is wrong. The next thing is support is very less even from the known people. And in the start you will realize that people won't support you as you think. You will realize that support is less even from the people you know. Like, आप सोचोगे कि मैं ऐसे वीडियो बनाऊंगी and your friends are gonna cheer you up, but most people don't. Even if they know you, even if they are close to you, they won't actually support you. Next, let's talk about the biggest struggles I faced. Overthinking before uploading something. I overthink a lot. Like, what if people start judging me? What if this doesn't even reach to people? What if ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा? What if ये चल ही ना पाए? What if it isn't that worth watching? I just start judging my own content even when I know it is not bad. I mean, it may not be the best, but at least it's not that bad. Because of this overthinking, the fear of judgment hits in. Fear of judgment, as in, लोग क्या सोचेंगे. So I also struggle with this a lot. I fear judgment a lot क्योंकि हमेशा I'm like, what if I make this video and someone judges me for it? What if I do something and someone actually thinks differently about it? So this is one of my biggest struggles which I face. The next, because of all this, I always feel that urge to just quit. Like, it's been 1.5 years and there hasn't been much of a growth. I do see some very good people commenting on my post, and that is really helpful for me. But there's always an urge कि मुझसे ना हो पाएगा, or what if it isn't made for me and stuff. So this gives me that urge to quit always. Next is the most important part, that is what content creation actually taught me and why I am still doing it. First one is confidence. Confidence not just in camera but also in real life. Confidence didn't come overnight, of course. एक साल, around more than 7, 8 or 8, 9 videos of talking outside the house. Like, जब मैं travel करने गई थी तब मैंने legit लोगों के बीच में पकड़ के phone पे बात किया था. Not very much, but I still tried my best. I used to be person जो कभी भी लोगों के बीच में कभी नहीं बात करती थी, वैसी बंदी. आज जाके ऐसे सबके सामने बात करना, it is a very big thing for me. So that is what the main thing what content creation taught me, of speaking up. The second one is expressing my thoughts. I would always struggle to actually say out what I always wanted to say. Because I started making video, I started realizing that I can put these thoughts in this sentence and I just can speak up as I want. So this is what the second reason is of still continuing content creation because it just didn't help me in the sense of camera content and all, but also in my real life, gaining me confidence and helping me in expressing thoughts and all. पहले मैं जो थी and अभी मैं जो हूँ उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क है, and I can see that myself क्योंकि I used to always hate talking to people. Now even if it's out of my comfort zone, I try to get out of it and actually speak to people even if I'm scared. Next is patience and consistency. So these two things were the things that I basically learned from content creation. Like consistency is the key. Everyone says that and it is true I believe. क्योंकि जब तक आप एक चीज में लगे नहीं रहे हो तो वो कैसे ही होगा. तो basically consistency in the way कि even if I'm not getting any results, I still am trying to do it. And I believe कि some or the other day I might get the result from it, but until then at least I'm meant to do all the efforts and patience in the sense कि let's take it in a content creation way. So पहले पहले मैं जब पहली बार यूजीसी स्टार्ट किया था, अगर आपने मेरा फर्स्ट कोलैबोरेशन का स्टोरी टाइम वीडियो देखा होगा तो आपको पता होगा कि मैंने पहले बहुत सारे अकाउंट बना के डिलीट कर दिया था. एंड द ओनली रीजन व्हाई आई डिड दैट वाज आई डिड नॉट हैव पेशेंस एट ऑल. कि आई वाज लाइक ऐसे एक दो वीक डाला एंड next week or next month I need to get those product as PR, or I need to start getting noticed by brands. That was my mindset back then, but this time it's completely different. Kyuki now I'm thinking like, okay, I'll just put in the efforts and let the time speak for it itself and let my work speak for it itself. Things I learned as a creator. First thing, consistency again. Consistency matters more than perfection. क्योंकि अगर आप लोग डालोगे नहीं तो आप परफेक्ट कब बनोगे. आई जस्ट बिलीव दैट जितना मैं डालते जा रही हूँ हर एक चीज में, आई बिलीव दैट आई एम गेटिंग बेटर एट समथिंग. द मोर आई एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड पोस्टिंग, द मोर आई लर्न अबाउट हुक्स, एंगेजमेंट, रील्स कैसे बनाते हैं, CTAs, and how to actually grab attention of the followers or viewers. So these are all the things I started learning through consistency. I may not be perfect yet, but I'm at least trying my best at it. You don't need an expensive gear to start. When I started, I didn't have anything. जब मेरे पास मेरा फर्स्ट सेकंड कोलैब आया एंड आई फेल्ट कि हाँ ये कुछ तो हो सकता है, एट दैट टाइम आई बॉट माई फर्स्ट एवर माइक जिसका वीडियो मैंने ऑलरेडी डाल रखा है, एंड तभी मैंने अपना रिंग लाइट वगैरह लिया. सो स्टार्टिंग में यू डोंट नीड टू हैव एनी एक्सपेंसिव सेटअप एंड एनीथिंग एल्स. लाइक just start with whatever you have. The next is be authentic. ये मुझे लेट रियलाइज हुआ स्टार्टिंग में, नॉट दिस चैनल बट द अदर चैनल्स आई ओन्ड. बहुत बचपन की बात, बहुत भी नहीं. व्हेन आई वाज 8 years old और 9 years old, आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट कॉपी वॉट एवर वॉज अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन. मैं अलग क्रिएटर्स के पेज पे जाती थी एंड जो जो भी वीडियो मुझे पसंद आता था मैं उसका ही रिपीट कॉपी एग्जैक्ट स्क्रिप्ट सब एग्जैक्ट बनाती थी. सो नाउ आई बिलीव दैट ऑथेंटिसिटी एक्चुअली अट्रैक्ट्स द राइट पीपल. जो आपको एक्चुअली पसंद करता है वो आपको देखने लगता है. सो आई जस्ट बिलीव बीइंग ऑथेंटिक इज एक्चुअली अ गुड थिंग. सो पहले पहले मुझे भी बहुत अजीब लगा था कि मैं ऐसी हूँ, व्हाट इफ पीपल जज मी अगेन अबाउट ओवर थिंकिंग. आई वॉज लाइक व्हाट इफ पीपल डोंट लाइक हाउ आई एक्चुअली एम. बट रिसेंटली जब मैं एक्चुअली अपना खुद के जैसे कैमरे पे रहने लगी, तब more than the people, I myself actually started feeling better, and I actually started having fun while recording the videos. पहले I used to be scared what if I do any mistakes, I don't speak up properly, अगर मैं कुछ I just mess up somewhere. So last and the final things that I would like to say if you're starting content creation in 2026 are what I would do differently if I restarted. So the first thing is start. Just start. I would start earlier before actually thinking of a perfect time. Because of this, I legit wasted my 2 years. I would just start without thinking for a perfect time to actually do and perfect content. I would just start with messy videos. I would just start with weird things and I would just start and post even if I was scared. इवन मुझे जजमेंट्स का फियर हो या फिर कुछ भी हो, किसी का भी डर हो, आई वुड जस्ट स्टार्ट पोस्टिंग अगर मैं अभी वापस पहले से स्टार्ट करती तो. क्योंकि देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स जब आई मेड मल्टीपल वीडियोज बट डिडंट पोस्ट एंड जस्ट डिलीट देम thinking it's not perfect, it's messy, it's not how others are making. it's not that top quality. So these are the things that I was actually noticing for like a very long time. And even sometimes I usually make videos and legit delete the whole thing. I edit it, I shoot it, but I just don't upload it, I just delete it. So that is the thing I would stop doing, because if I know that I have done something and I feel that it is good and I enjoyed making it, then I would definitely post it if I started again. And the most important part of this video I wanted to say is, I would start to focus on enjoying the process rather than just running behind views or numbers. स्टार्टिंग में मैंने भी एक्चुअली, पहले जब भी मैंने एक चैनल बनाया था, आई वुड ऑलवेज रन बिहाइंड कि सब्सक्राइबर्स आए, व्यूअर्स आए. नाउ एज आई सी, आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग वीडियोस बिकॉज आई एंजॉय मेकिंग देम. numbers are gonna be a thing, like of course पैसे के लिए सब लोग करते हैं, but more than that I feel that पहले beginner level में I should just start enjoying the process rather than just chasing money, and just do it because I want to do it and not because I just want money from it. अगर मैं बस पैसे के लिए कर रही होती, then I would have quit a long time ago, because I had started this channel 1.5 years now already. And if you're a new creator or planning on being one, think multiple times कि आप लोग क्यों चालू कर रहे हो. क्योंकि अगर it's just monetary gain, then you are not gonna run in long term. So now the last part, my honest advice, don't wait for motivation even if you're scared, and just take this as a sign. अगर आप लोग सोच रहे हो बहुत दिनों से कि मुझे content creation करना है, start your journey even if you're scared. And everyone feels awkward in the beginning. Even मेरे case में भी I used to feel very weird talking in front of the camera, and I would think कि कौन ही क्यों ही बात करेगा कैमरा के सामने. Like everything feels weird at the beginning, but trust me, it's gonna be fine later on. And the most important thing is, confidence comes from action and not just thinking. So अगर आप लोग सोच रहे हो कि जब मैं मुझे confidence आएगा तब मैं start कर लूँगा या कर लूँगी, then don't wait for it, क्योंकि बस सोचने से कुछ नहीं होता until and unless you actually do it. That's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I enjoyed filming this video and talking about my personal experiences with content creation. This video actually helped you in some or the other way. Subscribe to my channel to know me and my sweet little world. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. भगवान पे भरोसा. मैं लगूंगा a big creator yet. Anyways, as I was saying, so long, like not so long, but so long. I'm an approved overthinker, guys.